Hello, let's try today this new Zorro insert which we put inside this Zippo lighter and replace this original insert with the Zorro insert, which should be a little bit better preventing the evaporation of the Zippo fuel, which is a big problem with these Zippo lighters. So let's first do unboxing and open the package. I don't know what this is, but let's find out. And here is the insert itself. Looks really well built. Here is the wick. And it gives spark. Lift the fill. There's also a O-ring, which is good for preventing the evaporation. There's nothing inside. Well, let's fill this Zorro insert and try to ignite it then. Let's open the cover. let's pour some Zippo foil. I'm not using the original Zippo foil because this works as well, but it's a lot more cheaper than the original Zippo foil. Then let's just fill this insert with the foil. That should be enough. It's a really nice design with this O-ring also. And if we remove this screw, I think the flint will pop out. But let's close it and wait a couple of minutes that the foil soaks to the cotton. And then we try to ignite the lighter. This Zorro company has came up with many inventions to prevent excess evaporation with these inserts. So it's quite interesting to see how this will work in a long time. Let's remove the Zippo insert. Then we replace the old Zippo insert with this Zorro insert. And it fits well inside the Zippo case. No issues at all. So, first try. Does this lighter light up? Seemed to work really well. Lights up really easily. Can't put the cover like that. Just need to first put this down. Well, it's really interesting to see how will the Zippo foil last now inside this insert, this Zorro insert. Because in the Zippo insert the foil lasts only like maybe 2 weeks and then you have to refill it. But that's something to be seen. But that's for watching and bye. And the product link to this Zorro insert can be found in the description box below.